Hey YouTube, this is Big Dre 20 doing an unboxing. Been trying to get one of these for quite some time. This is a new version here. Just came out about 2 weeks ago. Nicely packaged. Definitely reuse these. Box inside of another box. See right here, SPL Labs. Let's see what it is. Nice cables and everything here. So I got this clamp meter. I want to be able to clamp the output of each amplifier that I test. Give you guys a little look as to what these amplifiers do. And instead of me running or doing the kind of test that I've been doing, I can try to do it with better tools. That's why I just went ahead and invested in this. It's the clamp tools that go with it, as well as the cable. And also, this is a charging cable here. It's the new SPL Labs wireless bass meter. This is the 3rd edition. It's an SPL meter. Like I said, I guess it comes with the charging and things like that, but I'll look into it. Just want to be able to go ahead and, well, I guess it's got a little power to it. Lights right up. But I just want to be able to display and record some videos on my system while I show how many decibels it hits, as well as clamping. So I'm not too familiar with the previous versions, but this one does allow for connections of the clamp meter, as well as a second SPL meter, as well as the RTA meter. I couldn't get that out of my head. I couldn't even think of it. But the RTA meter you can use with this, another SPL meter, as well as the clamp meter. Now I believe you can only use one at a time, but all 3 of those you can use with the version with the 3rd edition. So that's why I got it, mainly because I want to be able to use the clamp to go with it. So I'm going to be able to run some tests, as well as get the output of some amplifiers I'm going to be testing real soon. So I hope you guys like what you see. Stay tuned for more.